Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today me and my friend Dalish are going on a bike ride. We'll be exploring places like Mariapura Lake, Achalu Beta, Mekeda to Sangama, mostly the Kanakpura area side. Hope you guys will like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. So guys, the first place which we are going is known as Mariapura Lake. It is a beautiful lake where we'll be going on a bike and we can park the bike very close to the lake. The road to this lake is also very nice. It's just a beautiful two-way road and the scenery also is very good. You guys should definitely try it.
No, how many kilometer more? Go. Oh, crazy guru. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? How is the view, bro? How is the view?
Nice, bro. Cool.
That is like next to lake. Now itself has gone. Now itself gone. Where is struggling, bro? Stand up, no?
Reach left and here.
How is the location? That's why I was saying, like this we can park bike and take on photo. That's
I
it.
want to do first washing.
Bro. So this is the location, guys.
Guys, I'm driving Hunter for the first time, that one off-road. It's a decent off-roader, but the suspension is not that good. But yeah, it's decent.
Next I'll drive on highway, bro. No. How is this highway, bro? How is it? So after breakfast, little bit I'll drive. That next location is like 10-15 kilometers after breakfast. So break. Mostly you're able to flat for this one also. In off-road you can just stand in the off-road. You're doing as if you're on top of Himalayan and all, no? Then time is bro. They keep leveling. Okay, just see how much distance is there for that. How many more kilometers, bro? Huh?
9 kilometers.
9 kilometers. You want to wear riding jacket for this 9 kilometers? Where will see, no?
You want to drive?
I'll drive. Give that helmet. Take all this. No, you drive this only then. Yeah, you drive this only.
Huh?
Just wear it, bro. I'll drive after this thing. What is it?
After, okay, breakfast.
Wear it. Okay. You go helmet also. Specs.
This helmet is too small.
Small, huh? 9 kilometer only, no? You hold it, huh? Full.
You want to take helmet also?
Just feel difference, bro. Why I tell? Why it's not coming for you? Maybe you got a shirt. Okay. You wanted to motor vlogging too. One second, then what to do is take my phone also.
Bro. Crazy, bro. Best, bro. It's like you are playing a game, bro.
Game.
Literally, bro.
You are going too fast, bro.
Literally, bro. It's like 60, 70, nothing for this.
No, I'm telling, riding jacket, wind resistance.
Zero.
Totally, no? Wait. Just leave your shoulders down. You are telling ways and all, but purpose you understood, huh?
True, bro. Crazy, bro. Crazy.
Recording or?
So guys, the next place which we are going is known as Banantara Betta. I am now riding the Hunter, and to experience it on the highway, I'll also be going to do a 0 to 100 test. Do check it out.
Petrol mark 0 to 100 Hunter 350. Bro, you want to go this straight, huh? We have to go left.
Let's go.
You want to see that one, huh?
Which one?
Hill, bro. Looks crazy, no?
Good view, huh?
Don't know. Or we'll see this and we'll come back here. Huh? 1 kilometer this place. This hill looks good, no? Or you want to go 1 kilometer, see that and come back here. What do you want to do? Little more off-road.
Let's go now.
No, we'll see where that goes. Simply some new. No, 1 kilometer for this location. To see this one, like this will go.
Yeah, let's go.
Off-roading in Hunter. Oh. Back. Someone's home, bro. Someone's home. Go. Some dog is. Slow. Don't press front brake. Back brake. Before it comes, run away. Off-road was crazy, no? The dog really scared me too much, bro. Okay, huh? No, don't do it so much acceleration, bro. Bro, wait, stop. I got one better idea, bro. Stop, bro. Stop, get down. Put stand and get down. So, off the bike. Better idea, bro. Get down. Okay, one more time, huh? Go. Leave. I got one better idea, bro. Leave. Done, bro. Now reverse. Slowly. No go up. Oh. Oh.
Bro, look at how much hole is there.
No, you should drive here only. No, it's not.
Still, bro.
Shall we? My bike will do, bro. Come. I think it will do.
If you imagine, your bike is okay. If Hunter suddenly fell here by mistake, then bro.
Hey, yeah, no, this gap is too less. We should go here only then.
No, if suddenly it fell here,
Bro, here how to go, bro?
both sides. How
What?
does this happen, bro? Because of tractor, no water, because of water.
What, I have to jump from one side to another or what? Good decision that we turned. If Hunter would have gone one more step, friend, no?
Bro, then Hunter gone, we like,
We need one more person, bro.
here we can go, it's okay. Here you can go.
Main thing, no, that if that sand is loose inside. I will. Bro, it just goes viral on YouTube. No new off-road track spot. I have to check mic quality, how it's coming from this way recording. Oh,
Crazy shit, bro, crazy.
too much crazy. Next Achalu beta, we are coming. But if we can do this, no, I'm telling you. This, you know, Himalayan and all can do this, bro.
Oh, that's why Himalayan.
But only thing, no, if you bend like that, no, gone.
If Himalayan fall, bro.
How many people are needed to pull?
Oh, too much.
Nothing is there here.
So guys, now we'll be going to Achalu Beta, which is one of the most difficult off-road. So let's go.